Yo guys, what's going on? Monday to 6 here, back to 2004 Toyota Sequoia, and today we're going to be using this new lens by Mothers. We're going to go over here, we're going to get some headlight restoration going. Not to mention we're going to do this on the fog lights where it's the worst. Going to try to make them look a little better. Going to be a nice quick video. We're going to show you how we can get these fog lights and headlights looking like new again. Hope you enjoy. Alright, here's going to be your kit content. This is exactly what you're going to need to restore your headlights and fog lights. The new lens by Mothers, power drill, some blue painter's tape, and a spray bottle or squirt gun, whatever you got to apply some water to the headlights and fog light lenses. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, first thing you got to do, just make sure there's no dirt and debris on the headlights, fog lights here. Just make sure you get them super clean. Alright, next we're going to grab our painter's tape and we're going to tape everything off around the headlights and the fog light. Got our tape applied. We're just going to go ahead and do this to the passenger side so we can do a side-by-side comparison on how well the headlight and fog light restoration kit works. Alright, next thing you want to do, you're going to go inside your headlight restoration kit, grab out the drill attachment, and apply the 800 grit. And take your spray bottle or squirt gun and go ahead and just get your headlight and fog lights wet. Got our drill attachment on with our 800 grit sandpaper. This is going to cut through the headlight material the fastest since this is the 800 grit. Let's go ahead. Just apply some medium speed here to the headlight. Alright, there we go. Got on the tripod, hold the drill with 2 hands here. Let's go ahead and keep that headlight wet there. Sorry I had to switch drills. My other one was battery dying. We are down at the fog light. Let's go ahead and repeat the same process we did as the headlight. Next we're going to remove the haze. We're going to take off this 800 grit. We're going to attach the 1500. It's an even finer sandpaper grit. Same process. Just keep the headlights wet so you don't burn through it. .1500 grit to the fog light as well. Right, next we're going to attach the 3000 grit foam pad. The light has to be dry on this one, so clean off any water. Just let's repeat the process, overlap in motion here. Make sure we get a nice even sanding. 3000 grit, foam pad, dry. Next we're going to use the polish. Go ahead, just put a dime sized little spot here. Probably a little more than you need. Let's go ahead and polish this fog light. Just grab your microfiber towel when you're done. Just wipe that lens off. Looks awesome. Feels a lot better too. Same thing for the headlight. Just get a little bit of the polish on here. Wipe off our light here. Now that we're all done polishing up the headlights and the fog lights, let's go ahead and take off our blue tape and really do a side-by-side comparison. Side-by-side comparison. Here is the headlight we sand and polished. Here's the fog light we sand and polished. Here's the driver's side that we haven't touched. And the fog light. Real good before and after. Kit works pretty well. Super easy to use. Follow the instructions, watch the video. But if you want your fog lights and headlights clear again, go ahead and get yourself a headlight restoration kit. Look at those headlights and fog lights. Looking brand new. All you got to do, get yourself some of this Mother's New lens here. Restore your headlights and fog lights. Hope you guys enjoyed. Monday to 6. Out.